Crude oil traded bearish again today. We have seen it moving towards the next target zone at 65.4, 65.6. And right now we can see a little support at the same zone, while it is natural gas which has tried to show a little recovery, and it has moved in fact now beyond the critical resistance zone at 3.1, 3.12. What to expect now from oil and gas with the US session? Are we looking forward a further correction in oil prices, or the lows are done and wait for a reversal? And what about natural gas? Has it reversed the trend? Can we expect it to breach beyond 3.2? We're gonna see everything with the help of charts and indicators. We'll do in this analysis. We'll try to find out the levels at which you can take a trade and trade with profits. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to deliver twice a day updates on crude oil and nat gas. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support them. Let's start. First, we'll look into crude oil, followed with nat gas. Watch till. If you look at oil on the hourly charts, what's happening here? See this, after the crossover prices are trading bearish. You can see this. See, it has taken a trend and since then drop retracement. See, 20 period offered it a very good resistance, and it is now again looking downwards. Now, it is pretty important for oil to trade first below 65.4 and then 65, 64.8. These are two crucial supports here on the downside, and if it trades below 65, 64.8, we can expect a greater down move here towards 64. Right now the moving averages are trading bearish, looking downwards. If you see the stock ISIC, this is dropped to the bottom. The MACD also sitting at the bottom here. Again, it appears that the down move is very limited. Look at the RSI, this is trading oversold as well. When you look at 2 hour, on the 2 hour chart, similar observation. See, the crossover is on the sell side. After the drop, it has retraced. Now again looking downwards. The resistance here pretty strong. And yes, it is also very important for oil to now break beyond 67, 67.2 in order to confirm bullishness here. But I'll say the supports are pretty strong here rather than the resistance is what it is going to face on the upside. Stock stick looking downwards. The MACD trading sharply bearish after the crossover. It is just looking downwards. RSI coming to an oversold zone. On the 3 hour charts, and you see similar observation here also. The moving average is crossing over here, not a good sign for the bulls. And see, this is showing aggressive bearishness here, but I'll just wait for it to stay now below 65, 64.8, which will be a confirmation of further down move. Stochastic at the bottom, the MACD at the bottom, the RSI is at the bottom as well. Things are getting slightly oversold, though oil is not showing any sign of reversal. Look at the 4 hour chart. See, bearish candles are sharper, the retracement candles are smaller in size, and now it is again uh, taking a direction here. I will say once it trades below 65.4, when you see the higher prices below 65.4, you can take a sell. Expect it to move towards 65 and 64.8, which is a very good support. And then also, if it trades below 64.8, 64.5 is the first, and 64 the ultimate one. See, oil need to trade below 64 in order to confirm a greater downside here. Stochastic getting oversold, the MACD sharply bearish, the RSI at bottom. So looking at the move, it appears that the down move is going to be difficult to sustain. I think 64, 65 should offer a good support, and from these support levels prices can bounce back. Now look at 3 hour chart, or rather let's look at the daily chart. See what is happening on the daily charts. We have seen a greater pullback, the support here acting out very strong, and also notice every rise offsets with a retracement, bigger rise, bigger retracement, and now it is coming to the support zone again. See, higher lows are seen, higher highs are seen. This is a nice retracement channel. Remember, once oil breaches this zone at 64, 63.6, we can say now it is going to deliver a massive move towards 62 and 60. 60 is the next milestone which it would like to kiss. But I'll say the down move is going to be definitely difficult, as things are getting oversold here for oil on the downside. If you see the stochastic here, it is looking downwards. The MACD also trying to converge crossover for a sell, and the RSI, if you look at the RSI, this is also trading bearish. So considering this, now before I provide you the levels, if you're willing to learn this art of trading, do join my next mentorship batch. The 34th batch starts 1st of September. Only limited seats we have. Register yourself now. It is very important for you to equip yourself with the tools, techniques, and strategies developed with our years of experience. See, this is already our 4th year of running these batches, and just join the batch and enjoy the learning journey. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. And if you're just willing to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Again, connect with me for any of your queries. Those looking forward to a Trusted partner which offers you a free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe. You can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So now where you should buy. First let's talk about the levels to. I'll only now recommend you to buy if you see now oil trading above 66. When you see the lower price above $66 zone, you can initiate the buy, but then expect 63, 66.3, 66.4 as the first target zone and 67 as the next. Only and only if oil trades above 67, you can say now it is reversing, and then we can expect it to trade higher towards 68 or in fact 70 very very soon. But I think it is not showing any such sign of as of now. It is looking downwards and suggestive of more bearishness. However, it has to break below the critical supports here. Yes, you can take a sell now at 65.4. When you see the higher prices below 65.4, take a sell. However, be careful. 65.2, 65, 64.8, very good support till 64.8 exists. And if that is taken, then 64.5. Below 64.5, more bearishness should prevail. Expect 64. And if 64 is taken, it is going to correct further. Then this is a breakout. Then it might trade target towards 62 and 60 zone very very soon. But I think things are getting oversold here for crude oil. Possibility is there that it can try to show a reversal. If not today, then possibly tomorrow. Today, the down move is going to be restrictive. That is what I can suggest here. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to natural gas. See, net gas on the hourly charts, what it is doing, see, it is still delivering or trading in this bearish channel. It is very, very important for net gas to first trade beyond 3.15 and then 3.2. 3.2 is the wall it needs to break. See, it has attempted multiple times to break beyond 3.2, and now this could be the last opportunity for it to do so. And for this, if you now see gas trading beyond 3.12, you can buy, expect 3.15. Now 3.15 is the zone it has to trade beyond in order to confirm the next move towards 3.2. Breaking beyond 3.2, it's a reversal. The moving averages have started to converge here, not yet crossing over though. Stochastic at the top. The MACD, after retracing, it is now crossed over for a buy and it is trading slight bullishness. The RSI is not supportive of further rise. It is looking downwards. Look at 2 hour chart. Similar observations. Notice it has stayed in the zone for a while, then delivered this bearish move. And if you connect the lows and connect the highs, you can find out it is a nice bearish channel. So now we have to wait for it to stay beyond 3.12 and 3.15 in order to confirm further bullishness. The stochastic rising, the MACD is bearish, the RSI is comfortably placed. Looking at the 3 hour, on the 3 hour chart, see higher lows are seen and the current one is starting on a bearish note. I can expect another breakout move here, but it is very very important now for gas to trade beyond 3.15 and then 3.2. This is a zone which it has to break in order to confirm further advancement on the upside, and any move beyond 3.15, 3.2 is a clear sign of a greater reversal. Stochastic is trading bullish. The MACD is also trading with moderate bullishness. The RSI is staying flat. On the 4 hour, similar observation you can see on the 4 hour chart. The 20 period so far is offering it a little resistance. Higher lows are seen. There is a possibility that it can give you a breakout on the upside. But I'll say only buy if you see now gas trading above 3.12, and be alert till 3.15 is not taken. 3.1516 should offer a very good resistance. And now see rise, retracement, and if you see a breakout here, expect 3.2 as well. Beyond 3.2, certainly it's a reversal. Moving averages right now are trading bearish, but you can see the stochastic rising, the MACD rising, the RSI is placed comfortably. So possibility is there that it can continue with the reversal here. Look at the daily chart. On the daily charts, notice what it has done. See this. This is the wall I have shared several times in my previous updates. It has to break this, and today is the opportunity for gas to do so, but it is not yet showing such a strength. It is very very important for gas to break beyond 3.1 to 3.15 in order to confirm a complete reversal, and then we can in fact expect it to trade beyond 3.2. Till 3.2 is not taken, you should not be treating this as bullish. I think the downside appears to be very very limited here. It appears that 3 is the zone which it was about to kiss. It has kissed this and now trying to reverse. If you see the stochastic, this is retraced. The MACD trading bearish, trying to converge here. Wait for a crossover. The RSI is flat. So looking at this, I'll recommend you to buy gas. If you see it is staying above 3.12 levels, expect 3.15. 16 as the first target zone, 3.2 as the next, and a break beyond 3.2 is a clear sign of a rally and a rise towards 3.3, 3.4 very very soon, if not today. And beyond 3.4, it is going to confirm a reversal here. Now on the downside, where you should sell. Now you have to wait for natural gas to trade below 3.05. Once it trades below 3.05, we can expect it to drop further. Expect 3 as the first target, and below 3 it is going to deliver a stronger down move here. Below 3, I think the looking back on the upside will be difficult. We can expect natural gas to trade all the way towards 2.8. Though appears difficult, 3 is a very good support here on the downside, and a drop below 3 is the only confirmation of bearishness. Let's see if it delivers this breakout. I think chances are less. Things are oversold. Natural gas might try to show a recovery from the current levels. Possibility exists strong. However, just stick to the levels. A buy above 3.12 and a sell below 3. See, you can sell in fact at 3.075 levels when you see at the higher price below 3.075. But then 3.05 you should watch out for first support, very good support, and then 3.02 the next. Below 3 anyways, it's a greater correction in making. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asian Europe session update. Do watch that as well. Thank you.